Ukrainian Ropax to Embark 954. As you know, Europe is a huge disaster regarding the training of the ratings and officers, and that's a huge advantage for you, Ukrainian seafarers, because for the Madeira, Malta, Cyprus flag, you count, and the Spanish government, you count as Europeans. So even though these politicians didn't know why the electricity failed 2 days ago, and they give these vague explanations, so that's how much they earn, the taxes we pay for them in Europe. And the same thing happens with the European training for ratings and officers. So it is a huge opportunity for Ukrainian ratings and officers to embark within Candina Group, not only in the side of the deck and engine, but also in the catering. There is many opportunities starting at 1,450 euros for stewards, messman. Yes, those are the current wages that we have today, because we have to compete with Asia, and it is a huge opportunity because you count as European, and then you can go all the way up to barman, to many other ranks within the Ropaxes that you know today are growing the size of these Ropaxes. Unfortunately, in many other European flags, we are not counted for as European, but hopefully soon these countries will allow you and count you as Europeans. Therefore, please apply urgently, because we have this summer huge trade of all the African inhabitants going down to Africa for these the summer holidays, and then back. So it's going to be a huge need of also tourists within Spain. So please apply if you want to be, if you're Ukrainian deck and engine and also catering, apply urgently in the crew inspector link. It's very important those crew inspector links are 100% filled perfectly. Why? Because then as soon as we read them, we call for an interview and straight inform the ship owners about the application. So it would be a very fast confirmation and then put in the roster. Therefore, the more complete these applications are of the crew inspector, the faster you're going to have the confirmation and the job opportunity and so on. So thank you very much indeed for your time. Like and subscribe and pass throughout the Ukrainian groups, because these ships are in the Mediterranean area of Spain, very close to your home. Thank you. Bye.